I'm gonna go over this utility cart and just check out how much you can load on this thing. It can hold up to 550 pounds as far as total weight on there. So you can see right here, 275 on the top and 275 on the bottom, which is 125 kg per each one. And look at all of the features. So I've got it loaded up. I've got my tools right here. Now this is a very heavy power bank. And if you guys know anything about these power banks, they are very heavy. I put a lithium ion battery on here. I put my DeWalt tools. I even hung a little fan over here. This is the E-Carkey fan. I've got it locked up over here, so if we're working on a project, we can sit right here and blow on us the entire time. Now to assemble this thing was pretty simple. You need a rubber mallet. I use a 9/16 socket, drill, or a Phillips head screwdriver. If you're using a drill, make sure you put it on the lowest setting. And then here's all the instructions. It was very simple. You just pretty much snap this thing together and then there's some extra hardware. You're gonna put some screws down in here for these wheels. These wheels are lockable wheels. You guys can see that you can lock the wheels. They're 360-degree casters that move around. There's screws that go up in here. There's a little area right here for putting a bar if you're putting some wire or something. And down here, all these little accessory holes, these are really great for running a pole if I'm running wire or yarn or anything like that. You can put things right up here. You see I got some safety glasses here. You can put tools in there. So if you got like your tools, you can set like your drill. Look how it fits a DeWalt drill perfectly right. I don't think it'll fit there, but it fits there like no problem. Now check this out. Look at how smooth I can operate this. Actually, let me put the camera down and show you guys. So just rolling it around, it's handling this weight with no issues at all. You guys see that? Now this is also on ground right here. If it's on pavement or anything like that, it's gonna work out great. So if I'm working on a car and I wanna put a battery bank on here or run some mobile power and all my tools when I'm working on my car, I'm just gonna push this whole cart over there. This thing would be great on like a job site or just around. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. It feels pretty much indestructible. This thing would be great on like a job site. You just wanna roll around some rolling stations. This would be the way to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ELAFROS utility cart. See y'all in the next video.